Today we are going to learn Báhya Kumbhaka Pranayama. Namaskar. Welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually, a place to find yourself and awaken spiritually. Báhya Kumbhaka Pranayama is the other variant of Antar Kumbhaka Pranayama, which we learned in the previous session. It is an advanced Hatha Yogic technique which is concerned about increasing one's longevity, and it offers various health benefits. Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama involves complete exhalation and holding your breath outside your body. On the contrary, Antarika Kumbhaka Pranayama was concerned about holding your breath inside your stomach instead of exhalation. This technique involves two locks or abdominal locks, which are also known as bandhas, which is Moola Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. We will give a brief about both of these bandhas. Starting from Moola Bandha, this is called root lock, where you completely contract your abdomen muscles, as well as your reproductive organ muscles, and lift it upwards, like how a horse lifts its buttock, where the different layers of its anus is lifted upwards. The same way, you need to lift both your reproductive as well as your abdominal muscles upwards, like this, inside completely. So this is where we so the metaphysical aspect of this is like we are lifting the prana upwards. Prana is actually, in a literal term, it is life force, or in a maybe in an advanced sense, you can say that prana is the energy that is conserving or maintaining the universe. So this assists in lifting or increasing the prana, increasing the pranic energy in each and every cell of your body. It offers various other benefits, like it is a cure to constipation and various other complexions in a human body. So this way it is very useful, and this is actually similar to another mudra called Ashwini mudra, where Ashwini mudra is concerned about just contracting your anal muscles or your anal duct muscles upwards like a horse. But the only difference is, like, here we are also focused on the reproductive organ muscles by lifting it upwards. So this is about Moola Bandha. And Uddiyana Bandha is something where we push like this. When we exhale, it is going to completely put pressure on the Kundalini energy, which is present in your Muladhara chakra or below the spine region. So this, you will have to push the abdominal muscles towards, and both, there is actually one way you are pushing downwards, especially the upper abdominal and middle abdominal muscles, and on the same way your reproductive organs, as well as your reproductive muscles, as well as your anal muscles are contracted. So this way, these are very much important to practice Báhya Kumbhaka Pranayama. So why wait? We are going to start the practice now. Now, to practice, this thing. First thing is, like, we have to sit straight with your back straight in a comfortable position. You can use mudras, like it can be chin mudra, or you can use prana mudra like this. This you can use, and then you can sit like this, or you can hold like this also, below your thing. And other thing is, like, now you need to exhale of all the air lungs. Exhale all the air in your lungs. Now take a deep breath, okay? Now exhale off all the air in your lungs. Now apply Moola Bandha, okay? The thing that is where you have to lift your lift up, contract your abdominal as well as your reproductive muscles. And now exhale off. Stay in that exhaled off state. Count up to 10 seconds. Start with 10. So this way. Now again, we will do it again. Okay? We did it for 10 seconds. We will start again. So exhale off. Take a deep breath, normal breath. Apply locks, Moola Bandha. Exhale. So this way. So you can start with 10 seconds. It oozes out all the excess heat in your body. So it offers various health benefits.